Hello students, good morning everyone. Now it's time to revise for your first unit test. We already completed first unit. It consists of one prose, one poem and also one supplementary. Is it kids? So now it's time to start revising it again. Come, let's learn together. Okay? Today I am going to revise you about crocodile poem, rhyming words and also glossaries. So come, let's move on to today's topic. The crocodile poem, is it? Yes. Did you remember it? Okay. Now I am just going to recall it, okay? I read it out and mark the rhyming words from this poem, okay? How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. In last class itself, I gave you assignment regarding rhyming words, right? Okay. Now again I am going to explain it to you in this class also. Okay. Words that ends in same sound is called rhyming words. For example, in this poem, first and third line ends with same sound. Crocodile, nail. And second and fourth line ends with same sound. Tail, scale. Like that. Fifth and seventh line ends with same sound. Grin, in. And then sixth and eighth line also ends with same sound. Claws, jaws. So these are called as rhyming words in this poem. First rhyming word is crocodile, nail. Tail, scale. Grin, in. Claws, jaws. We mark it as ABAB scheme. First one is A and second one is B. So we are going to repeat it. First and third line ends with the same sound. So first and third line will be A. Second and fourth line ends with the same sound. So this is ends with the B. This is called ABAB scheme. In later classes, you will learn about rhyme scheme also. Okay. Now we just move on to synonyms, that is meanings from this poem, The Crocodile. Okay. Glossary. Please listen carefully, children. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. First one, glossary. Doth, an expression of Old English for does. Doth is nothing but it's an expression of Old English. Does. Very good. Yes. Improve. Improve means to become better than before. Improving your skills. Right. In 5th standard, you have some skills. And in 6th standard, you are going to improve it. Improve means to become better than before. Cheerful. Happy. Cheerful means happy. Gently, softly or mildly. These are the 4 glossaries you have in this poem. Okay. Today's assignment is you are going to read and write one time. Okay, children. Then and now we are going to move on. Choose the rhyming words from the box and write them in the correct blanks. I first read it out, the given words in this box. Then we are going to fill up these words in appropriate boxes, in correct boxes. Okay. First one, file. Second word, din. Third one, claws. Cause. Fourth one, nail. And fifth one, while. Sixth one is pause. Sixth is male. And last one is thin. These are the words given in these boxes. Okay. We move on to number 1. Claws, jaws. And next word is cause, pause. Okay, is it clear? Because it ends with same sound. So these are the rhyming words. Second one is grin, in the same sound, din and thin. Okay, these two letters ends with the same sound. So these are the rhyming words to grin and in. And third one is crocodile, nail. And another rhyming word for these two words are file, while. Okay, come, we move on to last one. Fourth one is tail, scale, nail, male. These are the rhyming words for the given words. Okay, and you have read these lines and answer the following questions and also question and answers. Okay, these two parts we will see in later classes. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about these two topics. Is it clear, children? I hope you clearly understood the rhyming words and also the glossaries from poem The Crocodile. You are going to write glossaries one time and also these rhyming words one time. Okay? Not the one which you wrote last class. In this class, you are going to write these rhyming words with correct topic. Okay, children? I hope you clearly understood these topics. Thank you for supporting us, parents. Keep on supporting us. Children, please do your assignment within a given time. Please write your assignment and submit it by today evening itself. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children. Bye.